Okay, so I'm going to continue on. So this is just more of what a matrix is. Matrices is the plural form. So this is a row, 2 rows by 3 columns. So we identify a matrix as row by column. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. This 3 right here is sitting in the first row, first column. So we identify it as A11. First row, first column. So these are subscripts, so it gives it a position. This one, the 2, is in A12, first row, second column. This 1 is in A13, first row, third column. This one is in A21, second row, first column. Second row, first column. And then we have A22, second row, second column, and A23, second row, third column. So this is just notation. You will see it probably in your My Math Lab. So I just wanted you to see that this is what it means. It's just a position. Okay, let me find my eraser here. So, I don't know what happened to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on adding and subtracting matrices. So adding and subtracting is position by position. So you have to have what we call equal matrices. So the matrix has to have the same name. So it has to be, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, or 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So it has to have the same name in order, I'm looking for my eraser, in order for the matrix to be added or subtracted. So I'm going to call this first matrix A, and I'm just going to put numbers in. And I'm going to call the second matrix B. Okay, so 0, we want to have it in the position that it sits, so we don't want to just ignore the 0, so it has to be there. So this is a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. This is also a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns, so we can add them position by position. So this is row 1, column 1 plus row 1, column 1. So the way we'll write this is it'll be A plus B. That's how you know what you're doing. So we have a sum of 2 matrices. So when we add them together, we add position by position. So row 1, column 1 plus row 1, column 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Row 1, column 2 is 3 plus 0 is 3. Row 2, column 1 plus row 2, column 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. And row 2, column 2 is 5 plus 2 is also 7. So this is just the sum of 2 matrices, and it's just position by position. If this was a minus sign, I'll leave this here. If we had A minus B, then we would do the same thing. 2 minus 1, I'm going to write it down here, is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So again, when you're adding or subtracting matrices, it's just position by position. So the matrix has to be the same row and column. So what that means is if I had a matrix that was a 2 by 3, so 2 rows, 3 columns, so let's say I have -1 and -2. Well, you can see we can't add position to position. This matrix A does not have a column 3, so I have nothing to add to the column 3. So this can't be done. You can only add when the positions are equal in both sets of matrices. Add or subtract, okay? All right, that's it.